Another beautiful classical performance. This is Indian classical. This is not like any other regular classical performances that we see. We have seen this her performance many times, and I would like to introduce her. She is none other than distinguished Anindita Nanda. We would like to invite you on stage. Anindita is an exponent of Odissi classical dance style. She is also an internationally acclaimed performer. She is an empaneled artist of the International Dance Council from France. She has graced stages over 10 countries, including Germany, Greece, Rome, and the US. She also adorns New England Women of the Year Award. She is the founder and director of Surtal School of Dance and Music. She teaches many students in New York, Boston, Connecticut, and West Coast. Give a big round of applause for Anindita Nanda.
ता ता नी दा नी ग नी सा ता गे रे ना ता ना दी 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 रे ना ताना दी रे ना ताना दी रे ना रे रे गा मा पा मा गा मा पा मा गा मा पा नी पा नी सा रे रे गा पा मा रे रे गा ता रे ता मा पा दा नी सा रे सा पा दा दा नी गे ता ता रे ता मा पा दा नी सा रे सा पा दा दा नी गे ता नी सा गा मा पा नी सा रे सा रे ता पा मा गा रे ता सा गा मा पा नी सा रे सा